We'll wrap up this section about navigation by showing you how to navigate to the tab page. Since tab page is a common page layout in the mobile apps, I have added one more screen, app information view, to show the app version, app name and author. I have added 3 labels and bound them to app name, app version and author properties in the view model. In order to display app name and app version, I'm going to use app info class from Xamarin Essentials. Xamarin Essentials provide developers with cross-platform APIs for their mobile applications, and it has class for showing app information. So this class app info has .name to get the application name and version string to get the application version. Now what I would like to do is to show app information and history view in a tab page. So the first step is to add a new file which will be a tabbed page. So let's add an info view. And also I'm going to add info view model. So info view model. Let's delete for now this default constructor. And in my info view, I need to pass info view model and use it as binding context. This tab page will be empty tab page, and in the code behind we will just set up the tabs. So let's do that now. I need a history view. And I need app information view. The first child is going to be history view. So to the property children, I'm going to add history view. And second tab is app information view. So I'm going to add that to the children as well. Okay, let's just remove unused usings. And what we need to do now is in the navigation service, add another page map entry. So when we have type of info view model, we will resolve that to the info view. That is, we will navigate to the info view when we call with navigation service info view model. Let me just do that right now. So at the moment, when we tap on the info view, the calculator view model navigates to the history view model. But what we want to do instead is to navigate to the info view model. Okay, let me just resolve this. And what I'm missing is info view model has to inherit from the base view model. Now, if we try to navigate to the info, it should show these two in tabs. So we have our history and we have app info, as well as information about application name, app version, and author. One last thing, what we need to do is to pass parameter to the history view model. So if I try to pass this calculator history to the history view model, it doesn't end up here since we are navigated to the info view model. And our info view model gets the calculator history. In order to fix this, first I need to override method initial async, and here I'm going to get this parameter. The second step, what I will do here is to define new property for history view model. So this history view model, it's going to get this parameter. Okay, let's just generate constructor with the history view model. And now in our initialize async method, let's pass this parameter to the history view model. Great. Now we have a history view model and we have passed the parameter to it. The only thing what's missing is that the binding context of this history view is another instance of the history view model and not the instance we have in our info view model. The fix for this is really simple. I just need to set binding context to be info view model that history view model. So view model that history view model. So if I try to calculate something and pass that to the history view, now it works. One last thing I can do is to just add some icons to the tabs in order to make application a bit prettier.